Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Tailor Test Kit Reagents is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining a clean and safe swimming pool or spa, ensuring accurate water analysis for optimal chemical balance and preventing potential health hazards or equipment damage. Number 5. U.S. Pool Supply Standard 3-Way Pool and Spa Test Kit. Maintaining the perfect balance in your pool or spa has never been easier. This professional 3-way test kit helps you keep your water chemistry just right. Easily monitor your chlorine, bromine, and pH levels with precision. The kit provides accurate measurements to ensure a safe and enjoyable swimming experience. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for reliable water analysis. You'll find test solutions for both chlorine and pH, along with a clear testing block. Using it is straightforward. Simply fill the tubes, add the solutions, shake, and compare the colors to the integrated scale for quick results. All components are neatly stored in a durable polyethylene case. A user guide is also included to help you get the most out of your testing. What we like. This kit provides essential tests for pH, chlorine, and bromine. If you're looking for a straightforward and user-friendly option for basic pool and spa maintenance, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want to quickly check the most common chemical levels without complexity. What people say. It's very easy to use, and is a straightforward way to learn pool chemistry. Easy to use works really well, gets results very fast and are accurate. Number 4. Tailor K 2005 High Range Swimming Pool Test Kit. Ensure your pool water is perfectly balanced with our advanced testing solution. It provides accurate readings for essential parameters. This kit precisely measures total and free chlorine, bromine, alkalinity, and calcium hardness. It also tests for base and acid demand, and pH. Designed for high-range testing, it delivers reliable results for even challenging water conditions. You can trust its precision for optimal pool care. It comes with convenient 0.75 oz reagent bottles, ensuring you have enough solution for multiple tests. This makes maintaining your pool simple and efficient. This is your essential tool for maintaining a safe and clean swimming environment. Achieve crystal clear water with confidence and ease. What we like. This option offers high-range testing for both total and free chlorine, along with other key parameters. If you need precise measurements for chlorine, especially in conditions where levels might be high, this kit is designed for you. It's perfect for serious pool owners who demand accuracy. What people say. The Tailor K 2005 test kit covers a wide range of tests, including total and free chlorine, bromine, alkalinity, calcium hardness, base and acid demand, and pH-DP. The high-range tests provide accurate results, allowing you to make informed decisions about your pool's water chemistry. This kit includes a helpful booklet that explains how to balance your pool based on your pool's volume. The results are very accurate and comparable to testing water at a pool store. Number 3. Tailor Complete Pool Water Test Kit. Ensure your pool, hot tub, or spa is safe and balanced with this all-in-one testing kit. It checks for essential levels like chlorine, pH, and alkalinity. Enjoy hassle-free water testing with simple, highly accurate tests. Color-coded instructions and guides make it easy to get quick reference. This complete test kit works with any pool, hot tub, or spa. It provides the versatility you need for maintaining water quality. The kit includes everything you need for comprehensive testing. It comes with a carrying case, comparator, calculator, and necessary reagents. These test kits are recommended by the American Swimming Coaches Association. You can rely on them for professional-level results for your pool or spa. What we like. This is a complete kit that covers a wide range of essential tests, including chlorine, pH, alkalinity, and more. If you want a reliable, all-in-one solution recommended by professionals for maintaining optimal water balance, this is the one. It's suitable for anyone who desires peace of mind with accurate, easy-to-understand results. What people say. It allows you to do a bunch of tests and comes with a nice guidebook on what it all means. It's a lot, but if you read the little book it's very interesting and gives you an actual understanding of some of the many things happening in your water. This is the exact and perfect kit to test your pool or spa water. It is accurate, easy to use, and will save you a ton of money because you won't have to blindly follow the advice of your neighborhood pool store. It's easy to learn how to test your pool water for all the essential things: free chlorine, combined chlorine, pH, total alkalinity, calcium hardness and cyanuric acid, stabilizer. Using this kit lets you very precisely determine chlorine levels, including both free and combined chlorine, without having to do any color matching. Number 2. U.S. Pool Supply 6-Bottle Refill Solution Pack. Ensure your swimming pool or spa water is always safe and enjoyable. This refill pack helps you maintain ideal chemical levels with ease. This is a 6-bottle refill indicator solution pack designed for your 5-way test kit. It contains all the necessary solutions to keep your testing accurate. Test for key levels like pH, chlorine, bromine, alkalinity, and acid demand. These solutions provide accurate readings for optimal water quality. Properly balanced water is crucial for a safe and inviting swimming experience. These indicator chemicals are vital for maintaining the correct balance year-round. Each refill comes in convenient 1-2-ounce dropper bottles for precise application. Simply use them with your existing test kit for quick and easy water analysis. This pack includes solutions for chlorine, pH, acid demand, and 3 types of alkalinity. Everything you need for comprehensive water testing. What we like. This is a refill pack containing solutions for a 5-way test kit, covering pH, chlorine, bromine, alkalinity, and acid demand. If you already own a compatible test kit and need to replenish your reagents, this is the economical and convenient choice. It ensures you can continue to maintain your pool's water quality without buying a whole new kit. What people say. Check these against the original kit that I had and they provided the same results. Great product for reading the chlorine level and the acidity level of your pool. My order came quickly, and the product works as it should. pH test is perfect and chlorine is perfect. Number 1. Taylor Technologies ART 0013E Cyanuric Acid 16 ounces. Ensure your pool or spa remains safe for everyone with this essential replacement. It's designed to maintain the proper balance for safe swimming conditions. Save money with this cost-effective solution. It's a more economical choice than buying a whole new testing kit when you just need a refill. This reagent is specifically designed to be compatible with Taylor swimming pool test kits. It seamlessly integrates with your existing equipment. Easily replenish the cyanuric acid levels in your testing kit with this pint-size bottle. It's the perfect replacement for depleted reagent. Trust in the quality of this 16 ounces cyanuric acid replacement reagent from Taylor. It's formulated for reliable and accurate testing. What we like. This is a large replacement bottle specifically for cyanuric acid reagent. If your current testing kit is running low on this particular chemical indicator, this is the perfect solution. It's ideal for Taylor kit users who need to maintain their stabilizer levels and want a cost-effective way to continue their testing routine. What people say. It is very cost-effective and works very well. Great refill for the Taylor testing kit. This large bottle was the answer. It seemed to work great and I could refill the little bottles that came with the test kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.